What's up everyone, how are you? In this video I am going to tell you about Samsung chip, the Exynos 990 and Snapdragon 865. The Exynos 990 being a significantly worse chipset than the Snapdragon 865 or even last year's Snapdragon 855 may as well be fact at this point. Samsung appears to disagree though for what it's worth. Over the past few weeks, it's been revealed that Exynos 990 Samsung uses on the Galaxy S20 in most parts of the world is, well, a tad deficient when compared to the competition. Those findings have sparked media outcry against the company, culminating in the creation of a petition "Stop Selling Us Inferior Exynos Phones," which currently has 34,000 signatures. Samsung, however, is refuting the whole thing. The company reportedly had this to say: "The Galaxy S20 is a smartphone that's been reimagined to change the way you experience the world, and depending on the region, the Galaxy S20 will either ship with Exynos 990 or the Snapdragon 865. Both Exynos and Snapdragon processors go through the same strict and rigorous real-life testing scenarios in order to deliver consistent and optimal performance over the entire life cycle of the smartphone. Benchmarks have shown the Exynos 990 to be less efficient than the Snapdragon 865 and even last year's Snapdragon 855. We also published a report on a gaming video that shows the Exynos 990 powered Galaxy S20 to throttle hard and perform worse than a Snapdragon 855 powered Galaxy S10. Our own review pointed out significant throttling issues with the Exynos model of the Galaxy S22. According to Sam Mobile, unlike its predecessor, the Galaxy S20 warmed up significantly with a case temperature of up to 46.7 degrees centigrade or 116 degrees after a long period of high load. This became particularly unpleasant when putting the smartphone back into your pocket after playing a game for some time. For gamers, this is a significant decrease and major restriction. Of course, Samsung says the S20 offers equal performance regardless of its being powered by Snapdragon 865 or an Exynos 990. We all know big corporations always tell the truth. It looks like Samsung is going to make you eat your beans or at the very least stick them in your ears. According to a new report, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 will look a lot like kidney beans and will look a lot different and fit more snugly in your ear than the current Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Buds Pro. The report from WinFuture shows the legume-like buds from several angles with what looks like a small microphone port on the outside and audio ports and two metal contacts on the interior, the latter which we assume will either be used to charge the buds or to measure your heart rate. However, the new earbuds don't appear to have any silicone tip or adapter, so it's not clear how they will conform to different ear shapes. Looking at the 3D renderings and images, it appears that the Galaxy Buds 2 will fit almost flush inside one's ear, while definitely we are curious to see how easy they will be insert and removed. The lack of any silicone seal also leaves us to wonder how good these earbuds will be at blocking ambient sound, and we assume that there will be no noise cancellation in these earbuds. Earlier reports about the Samsung Bean earbuds have indicated that the new Bean earbuds will also incorporate fitness tracking features such as heart rate and more. This would also give Samsung earbuds yet another advantage over Apple's AirPods, especially if the Galaxy Buds 2 were to connect with Samsung Fit or the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 smartwatch, which has a number of fitness-focused features itself. As with its current models, we would expect that Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 will also incorporate touch control and at least 10 hours of battery life. While WinFuture states that the new Samsung earbuds are still in the testing phase, we could presumably see Samsung launch them alongside the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, which might happen as early as August. With COVID-19 delaying many product launches, though that date is still in the air. subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more updated and latest news, leaks and reviews of phones. Thank you.